Taiwan is heavily industrialized. It's an island of 23 million people with heavily industrialized clusters.
The wind industry is a high-tech 21st century kind of power source that we can continue to capture people's imagination.
We're organising this event together with GWEC, and the main purpose is really to try to bring the expertise from overseas, where there's ample expertise, to come to Taiwan to share with the Taiwan stakeholders here.
It's a great opportunity to bring representatives from the industry together, but also government decision makers. We have seen attendance from all different parts of the industry.
Taiwan has great potential to become the leader in the global offshore wind market.